students. I would like to show you right now how to share a YouTube video. So you can see that I have a YouTube video playing right here on my screen. And what I want to do is I want to move my mouse to the YouTube video, and I'm going to just right click on it. And when I right click with my cursor, with my mouse, my touchpad, I see this menu pop up, and you want to look for the one that says copy video URL. So when you copy the video URL, you click on it, and that means that I've copied it. So now I have the URL of that video. So now I can go to a new tab at the top, and I can share that. So how will I share it? I will go to Google Classroom. So I'll go over here and click on the waffle, find my classroom, and I'm just waiting for my classroom to open. Okay, just a sec here. I'll just go into this way and then find my classroom. And we are just learning how to share that video. I would like to share that video in the stream where I asked you to share some music that you enjoyed. So we're just waiting for the classroom to load up. Here is our Welcome to Link class. And now here's my stream. And I see some people have shared videos. So I've got different things here, and I'm going to go down to, lots of things are being shared. Okay, I'm going to go here where it says, please send me a short YouTube video of music you enjoy. So I can see that Samira has shared something, and 5 other people have. So I want to share my video. So I click here, and then I am going to right click, and I go down and I can see the word paste. So now I paste that video clip, and I should be able to make sure that it works. I'm sure it will. So now I just send it like that, just like this. If I wanted to check that it actually worked, I could go up here into a new tab, and I could paste it again here. So I clicked, and then I'm going to right click and paste, and we'll just press enter and check if it will play. It should be the video about the Christmas. Yes, it is. So I know it is right. It is the correct one. It's just spinning a little bit. So now I'm going to press on the X here, and I can see it's the magic of light. I'll just X that out. I don't want to have too many tabs open, and I can see that it's the correct one. So I'm going to click on the send button. And that, my friends, is how you copy and paste a video of your music